Welcome to HTML4 video series. This is part 44, and in this video we are going to work with footer. And as you can see, there is nothing much to say when we are dealing with the footer. Well, you can see we have at the footer we have one simple text which says copyright at the Black Hawk Down and the blah blah blah. Right now, if I want to build something like this content, what I can do is, actually what I did is, for the sake of simplicity, I have used the table. Right, so that's what I'm going to do. So in Coffee Cup, I have already written the code because it was pretty easy, right? So what I did is I created a table. I set width as 100%, so allocate all the space it has, which is 980 pixel, which we have defined at the top. I set height as 70 because I don't want to cross this line. Okay, so that's what I said. Then I created a row as usual, and then I created one TD. Within that, I have used the span tag, and I set the font size as 12 pixel, and I said copyright blah blah blah. That's it. That's what I have done. Now let's do the preview, and you can see the preview, and you can see right that this is working pretty great, right? And we have the border, and I have added some space here and some space here. If you look at this, the requirement, it does not has this consistency, so I had to do that. And for that, I made some changes. Over here. I'm sorry. For this table, this whole table, the container what we have created, which you can see over here. Right, this is a table where I made the changes in padding 20px and 0px. Now when you look at this, you will totally freak out. You'll say, I don't understand what that means. Okay. So here's the thing how it works. Let's say you have example, right? This is not gonna work because we don't have any tag like example. So what I have here is there are four padding properties. I have left, right, top and bottom. But when you think in terms of CSS, all you have to think is you have a watch in your hand and your properties are rotating accordingly. So your watch is right now at 12 o'clock, so you're looking at the top. The next property, it will look at as the right, the next is bottom, and the next is left. So that's how the system works. So actually when I say padding, actually it looks for the top property, then it looks for the right, then it looks for the bottom, and then it looks for the left, right? Well, actually I'm not saying that. This is the w3schools.com. It says that. It says if I want to apply a padding, let's say 10 pixel onto the top, then I will be writing like this. I want to write for the padding as right as 5 pixel, so this is right. For the bottom it is 15 pixel, 15. For the left it is 20 pixel. So if I want to write this whole crap which I have written in 4 lines, if I want to write it in a single line, then how can I write this? So I'll be writing something like this. I'll say, okay, I'm looking at the padding. I can see the top and bottom has the same values, so I'm going to write 5px. So automatically, if I'm writing for top or if I'm writing for bottom, it takes automatically. If they don't have what I mean the different values, and then I can say 20px, which actually I'm applying for the right, but it gets applied for the left as well. So that's what I've done. So instead of writing this huge block of elements, you can wrap the whole thing in one line. Now this is one of the way to write the padding if you know the structure, you know what I mean. I have broken down everything into the pieces so you get an understanding what is where and how and why, right? So I guess we are done here. Where is it? Our website is finally complete. I mean, the index page is complete. The next task is we need to create all these pages. Alright, that would be our next task, and it is not going to take a lot of time. We are just going to do the copy paste and all, but the contact us form will be a bit different, right? Because in that I'll be covering few form elements. I'll be creating a very basic thing. Okay, so we'll be doing that, and once we finish with that, we will start with deploying this website onto my website. I mean, how can I say, right now my website is pretty stupid, which is suffering. Do I have it? Suffering IT bastards.com. Hopefully it should be open. Yes, it is open. So this is my website. Okay, it is a live website. It is not a dummy website. So we are going to create something like this, and we'll be pushing onto this website, right? So you get a live feel, and I will show you step by step how, to deploy the website on, and where to deploy, how to get a domain, what to buy, what not to buy, a few things, right? So I'll be catching up with you, right, in the next video. So that's me, and if this video helps you in some way, then please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this. Good night and take care.